Howdy everybody, good morning. So today is Monday, June the 1st, 2020, and we had a slow weekend. I think we got 11 things going out or something. Could have something to do with everything going on. We watching that news this morning, and buddy, that stuff makes my blood boil. Y'all keep y'all's little violent protesting butts wherever y'all want to, but don't be coming up in here. Nope. Horrible. I mean, it's one thing to do a peaceful protest. It's another thing when you start busting out windows and tearing down stuff.
It's a whole new level of crazy.
Crazy. Making it be whatever they want it to be about. Anyhow, that's all we're going to say about that, because it just makes me angry.
Yep. And if you're new to our channel, I'm Courtney. That's Colton. And we are full-time Amazon, eBay, and Poshmark resellers.
And let's get in here and get busy today. We got a lot of stuff to do. That's a lie. We ain't got a lot of stuff to do.
But we need to list a lot.
We got a lot of stuff we need to do. And we got 2 of the giveaway winners reached out to us, so we got to mail that stuff out. We still waiting on Mo Girl Sales. So Mo Girl Sales, if you watch this, send me an email. My email is going to be in the description, and we'll hook you up with your winnings. And thank you all again for every one of you that contributed to that and have supported us and shown us love since we started. Thank y'all so much. I can't say thank you enough. Y'all done drove this channel way past what I thought it was going to be, so thank y'all.
We're not far from 600 as well.
Right. So let's get in here, get these orders pulled. We'll show them to you and go from there.
Y'all come with us.
Alrighty, guys and gals. So here's our orders going out. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on eBay and 1 on Poshmark. So let's start with the first one here. We sold a National Oil Well hat. It's an L4A. So sold this right here. It's kind of dirty. It's got the big patch on it. You can see them spots on it. Anyhow, this ended up selling for us for $13.99 plus shipping. Now we got to get a vintage anchor weight. It's on E1. So it's going to be
front corner.
Right down here. This right here from Owensboro Foundry. Y'all see that? I'm pretty sure this is a duck decoy weight. You know, go on the bottom of your plastic ducks. It's 7 ounces. And if y'all see these, pick them up. And this ended up selling for $19.95 plus shipping. Now we sold some hair in B1. Here's one of them. And here's one of them. If y'all see this hair, y'all see that hair? Let me take one out and I'll show you. Ew. It's just like a hair bun. Don't know. Anyhow, if y'all see these, don't buy these. Man, this is nasty. I don't know if it's real hair or not. You reckon? Got no ingredients? I don't know. Anyhow, these ended up selling for $10.41 free shipping for some hair. Who would have thought? Now we got a red trinket box. This one right here. It's pretty big and heavy. See this here? It's like a porcelain pottery piece, but it's got some crazen in it. And crazen's like where it's like got that spider web cracking going on under the glaze. And then this sold to a lady over in, or I assume lady, I don't know, to a person over in Puerto Rico. And we got $13.99 plus shipping for that. Now in the M1B-10, we got some leggings. So here's our M1B. And then inside of here, we're looking for number 10. It's gonna be all the way at the bottom.
I think it's right here.
Yep, here they are right here. This LuLaRoe ain't gonna bring you big money, but it sells. These sold for $11.19 plus shipping, and they kind of got a skull crossbone design, so happy with that. Now on N2 we got to get a patch, a space shuttle patch. Here it is right here. I sold this today. That rocket went into space from SpaceX. This is a Columbia Young Crippen Space Shuttle patch. See that? And for this we got $6.96 plus shipping. Now we sold a great item. Close your eyes, honey.
Well, I don't want to back
Okay,
in
now
my
look.
shelf.
All these crazy looking costumes and everything, ain't nothing up here.
So we sold this clown head. He was on a clown I'd bought. Dynasty Dog Collection, just his head here. Creepy. And this ended up selling. We should have. He don't look that creepy.
He's creepy. He's a clown.
And this thing right here ended up selling for $13.96 plus shipping for a head.
Can you turn him around? Thank you. Turn him where I don't see him.
I turned him around.
Let's not be smart aleck about it.
Alright, now we sold some neck cream. If y'all see any of this stuff, I'd recommend picking it up. There's one. There's two. So these are just some Baker's Best neck firming and tightening cream. Y'all see them there? And I paid $1 a piece for these at an estate sale. And these two sold for $33.25 plus shipping. And they're still in date to the end of the year. And next we sold this right here. Right here. This is an NCAA Football 2014 Xbox 360 case. Very upsetting it didn't have the right disc in it. I got excited when I seen this. Anyhow, so just the case, and for this we got $22.50 plus shipping. And then on Poshmark,
They're over here.
they're over here.
Here, slide that right here. Or not.
Okay, yeah, we'll do what you said. So these are some premium baby care and precious memory thing, and it's $75 value. Got a bunch of little baby stuff in there, no wooden box. And for this we took an offer for $23, but we sold that finally. Happy with that. And that's our orders going out over the weekend. We're gonna get this stuff packed up and sent out. Alrighty guys and gals, it's gonna be a shorter video. We're gonna get this video edited, uploaded, and then we're gonna be back over listing today. I don't know what else we're gonna be doing. I've had a killer toothache. Toothache will knock you out the game. We appreciate y'all so much for all the support y'all have shown us again, and we thank y'all for coming back and watching this video from us. And if you will do us a favor and make sure to subscribe to the channel.
Also, hit the thumbs up button and the notification bell.
Right, please and thank you. And we will see all you guys and gals tomorrow on Tuesday.
June 2nd.
Right, just in case we forget. So we'll see y'all tomorrow, guys and gals. Guys and gals.
Bye, y'all.
See y'all.
That covers everybody.
Ewans.